Hello friends and welcome back to my channel Maximize Life. I hope you all are good and in good health too. I know it's been quite some time I posted any of my videos. Since I was caught up with plenty of my personal works, I couldn't do so. Nevertheless, during this time, I have been trying new recipes, got myself into baking various dishes, and learned some new hobbies as well. So stay tuned for some interesting vlogs in the coming days ahead. Video, I shall be sharing some of the dishes I made for the weekend for my family. The dishes are really simple yet really tasty. The menu for lunch was very simple with ghee rice, raita, chicken egg curry, paneer tikka, chili soya beans and papad. So let's get started by first making the paneer tikka. We need to marinate the paneer cubes. For that, I have taken two medium-sized onions and cut them in cubes. Now in a bowl, add half cup curd, pinch of turmeric, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 2 teaspoon chili powder, an inch of ginger, 3 garlic, 2 green chilies, chopped coriander leaves, 1/4 teaspoon pepper and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix them well and make them into a homogeneous mixture. Then add the paneer cubes, the onions and the capsicum. Add salt and marinate all of them really well. Set aside for 30 minutes. Now all the ingredient measurements are given down in the description box below. Next, starting up with the raita, slicing 2 medium-sized onions, added 2 slit green chilies, some pepper, salt, and I've set that aside until serving. Next recipe is chili soya beans. For this, I have taken 3 cups of soya chunks, soaked them in hot water for 10 minutes, and now squeezing all of the water completely. All the water has been removed. To this, add 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, and 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Make sure the soya chunks are coated well. In a kadai, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and add the soya chunks and fry them all well. The soya chunks has been fried well. Set them aside and to the same very kadai, add 1 tablespoon of ghee, minced ginger and garlic, 4 green chilies and saute them until the raw smell of the ginger and garlic has gone. Add 1 large onion and 1 medium-sized capsicum which is cut in cubes. The onion and capsicum have gone soft. Add 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Saute them until tomatoes have also gone soft. Add the required amount of salt to the mixture. 2 tablespoons of soya sauce and 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. Mix it all well. To this, add all the fried soya chunks and make sure that all of the soya chunks are coated well. Mixing well, the soya chunks are ready to be served. The next dish is a very simple chicken curry with a little bit modification. Well, this dish is made completely by my husband as I had to attend for the needs of the baby. To this, in a kadai, add oil, add whole garam masalas, 2 medium-sized onions and saute them well. After the onions have become soft, add 1½ teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute them well until the raw smell has gone. Adding 2 medium-sized tomatoes, mix them well until all becomes a paste. My husband also added 2 split green chilies and a sprig of curry leaves, required amount of salt and the masalas. The masalas added were ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon pepper powder, 1½ teaspoon of chili powder, 3/4 teaspoon of garam masala and 2 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix them all well and then add all the chicken pieces. Here we have taken 900 grams of chicken pieces. Cook the chicken until it's gone soft and add water according to your consistency. Hot. Now to this, my husband did a little bit of alteration. He boiled 5 eggs. I cut them into half and added along with the curry. Well, I must say it tasted something different and really nice. So you must give a try to this. Back to our Paneer Tikka recipe. We took a barbecue stick. To that, added 1 capsicum, 1 onion and 1 piece of paneer and followed it until the stick was complete. Then grill it in the oven 20 minutes on each side or until the paneer has been gone crispy. Lunch was served with hot and simple ghee rice with papad. completed lunch with a bowl full of ice cream. Preparing a simple lunch at home is definitely healthy and yummy to the tummy as well. That was our delicious weekend lunch. So do give it a try and let us know your feedback. There are many more interesting recipes coming up on my channel in the future videos. So stay tuned for that. Until I see you all next, stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Bye bye.